What's up everybody, Papa Stanimus here, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve your dual PC audio problems. Pretty easy to do. What you need is some basic equipment. Now, the way I do this is I use a external capture card. You can do this however you want, but my methods really only work with external capture cards. So hear me out though on how we do this, because it's pretty cool. So you need this, and you need a Elgato sound capture, all right? It's a software, it's free, it's from Elgato. Now, before we go any further, let's kind of go over this Elgato here, right? Now, I use an Elgato HD60S because it does 1080p 60, and that's what I like. Now, this Elgato HD60S has a few ports here. Now, one, it has an audio in port here. It has a HDMI in port here, and it has a data port as well, okay? On the other side, it has an HDMI out port, all right? Now, as a dual PC streamer, I only care about the HDMI in and the data out because I have an HDMI cord coming from my stream PC, or from my, I have an HDMI cord coming out from my gaming PC, and I plug it in to the Elgato, and then the data cord goes out to the stream PC, okay? Now, on my gaming PC, where all the audio is happening, I'm gathering all this audio, I run Discord, I run music, I play the game, right? All this audio, I want all this audio on the stream. The way I capture that is using Elgato sound capture. It's pretty easy, it's free, and there's an advanced mode that allows you to do something very special. By default, on Windows, you cannot play audio to multiple devices at once. You can only do one device at a time. Elgato sound capture is that one device. You send all your audio to that, right? And then it relays it to any device that you want. What I like to do is I like to have my headphones on and my speakers, right? And then when I'm done with my headphones, I can turn them off, put those aside, and turn up the volume on my speakers without having to switch anything in the audio properties. It's all seamless, right? I also like to have a third device that the audio is sent to, and that's my Elgato sound capture. Now, that's it. So you run Elgato sound capture, and you send all of your audio to your Elgato. What you want to do is balance everything. So you have your music, you have your Discord, you have everything. You get all those levels balanced the way you want. It gets sent to your Elgato, and then your Elgato is picked up on OBS on your stream PC. Easy peasy, no problem. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you want to talk about this, talk about it down below in the comments. And I'm probably live on Twitch right now, so go to twitch.tv/Papa Stanimus and let's hang out on Twitch. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.